Wie schaut denn das aus mit dem Buchmacher? Welchen hier?
Hey there.
Hey there back. What can I do you for?
Da weiß ja gar nichts. Er winkt dauernd. Der Herr Buchmacher. Das ist er nicht. Der da unten. Das ist ja gerade die Arena, Mann.
Hello there. Ready for a fight? A challenge?
Ach so, was hat er denn? Eine zweite Runde? Nein. Beim nächsten Mal. Jetzt hat er eine zweite Meisterschaft für mich. Da steigen wir beim nächsten Mal dann rein. Jetzt möchte ich erstmal zurück nach Noctis. Ja, da fahren gleich. Ja gut. Pass auf, nach Noctis. Scheiße. Da muss ich bis Dorf. Ja gut, hilft mir nicht. Da musst du durch. Wie schaut aus, Andrew? Ja, da ist noch mehrere. Der ist fort. Und ich noch. Weckers. Wo lauf ich da? Hinten um mich. Hinten um mich, sagt er. Oder da rundum. Das meine ich geht auch. Hallo Lady. Mein Gott. Da sind ja sie wieder. Geradeaus. Aber so dreckig ist der nicht. Ich meine, es gibt ja Erfahrungspunkte, gell? Was haben wir hier da hinten? Der Schuss dauernd. Du, hol mich um. Lästiger Hund. Jetzt müsste ich dann links hinten gehen. Ja, warte mal. Wir können ja nicht durch.
Traitor, get him!
Du stör mich nicht. Ich bin beschäftigt. So, wen haben wir noch? Die zwei Herrschaften. Oh gut. Links um mich. Hey, das ist ein Zirkus, bis du mal wieder drin bist. So schaut denn aus, das ist nichts mehr. Ja, da ist auch noch was. Ja, da ist ja die große Haar. Weiter drauf schießen. Jetzt muss ich hinter mir. Hinter mir, sagt er. Also mir stimmt das. Das stimmt nicht. Da geht sie wieder auf. Da muss ich auch sehen. Und jawohl, endlich. Das heißt, es geht zurück nach Noctis. Und zwar geschwind.
Zachariah, the great hero of his brothers, has returned triumphant. Amazing, against all odds, against a city. Bravo! But I don't see anyone resembling the great master. Is he...
Dead. He sacrificed himself so we could get out.
Oh, so sad. Truly. Well, please tell your colleagues, your brothers, they are welcomed here. Let them rest and regain their strength. I can only imagine what the ASC put them through. And without their great master, they must feel lost. On top of it all, feel the void for a leader among them. No?
What are you getting at?
Just simply that, as their hero, it might be in their best interest for you to fill that void. I don't purport to understand how these things work among your kind, through a vote or drinking game, but you've earned it. They need you to pull them back together after what they've been through. And to have a unified group of Technomancers among us to serve would be valuable beyond imagination. Think about it.
I'll think about it. But now's not the time. We need to mourn the fallen.
Rede mit Informationen. Aha. Erkunde die verschollene Kuppel. Was ist das? Wo schaut denn da drin? Mein Gott, wieder nur so viel. Gewinne die zweite Runde. Windturbinenteile. Pass auf, was haben wir da? Warte, bis der Rover repariert ist. Wärmeregler. Dann Dolo Bericht erstatten und da genauso. Pass auf, wie schaut denn aus? Der Scotty, der gleich da rum. Der kann gleich mal seine Unterlagen haben.
Zachariah, you look good. Better than I. As if that was hard to accomplish.
I brought you back what you asked for.
Oh, you found the ostrich egg cream.
No, but I found your notes on Technomancer, and I found a full kit. For Andrew, the prosthesis.
Ah, yes! The prosthesis. Give it to me. No. It shouldn't take me long. Roughly a few hours, just enough time to go through my notes. It would go even faster if you gave me a hand. You really didn't remember to bring me any cream. That's too bad.
Was sagt er? 6 Stunden helfen. Warum? Nein.
I think that I should let you do it. I'll come back and see you later.
Das kann der Lord sagen. Dabei gehen wir mal. Wo gehen wir hin? Befrage einen Mutanten zur Flucht aus Lager 19. Ah, die da vorne hat. Der Wärmeregler. Ja, pass mal auf, was tun wir jetzt? Eigentlich wollte ich Pause machen, gell? Scheiße. Pass auf. Ich renne mal schnell bei den Mutanten vorbei. Aber gerade ganz schnell. Die Herren Mutanten. Die waren doch gleich am Sieg. Leg der Telefon.
Hey there.
What do you want, human?
I heard some mutants escaped from a prisoner camp. You hear anything about that?
Hasn't everyone?
Not in Ophir, where the news never went public, no. It was only a rumor there. What do you know?
I know if Ophir's men hear of it, it will cause trouble for us. For those among us who are still slaves there.
It could also give your brothers back there some hope again.
And to show them that we are able to rebel and escape? Yes, hope. So I will tell you, for my people, life in camp was hard, to say it lightly. Hard labor during the days, brutality during the nights. The prisoners would take out their frustration of being locked up out on them. The guards and prisoners alike battered them with their frustrations. Then, one day, one of ours struck a guard who was trying to stop him from going to the aid of a brother. After he fled, the guards then stated that if he did not come out, they would execute 10 random mutants. That was the moment the rebellion began. A prisoner from Aurora helped my brothers. With tools, they incited riot. Blood flowed. Many died. Some escaped. But at the start, few thought to flee. At the beginning, they wanted only better lives where they were. It became obvious, though, the repression that would come would be worse than ever. That the only chance for life was somewhere else. Scum, the mutant who struck the guard, led them to freedom. They escaped without even being chased. The story came directly from Scum. A great speaker. A great hero.
Thanks for the information.
Und das war halt die erste Information von 3. Scheiße. Fehlen uns nur 2. Was war da oben? Der Wärmeregler. Schauen wir da vorbei, ha? Damit wir zumindest ein bisschen vorwärts kommen. Was haben wir da? Stufe 2, her damit. Bekanntlich kann ich alles brauchen. Okay, der Tomat. Der feine Herr.
I was told you might have spare parts for a rover. I'm looking for a thermic regulator.
Oh, yes, I got one of those. Hard to find, very hard, very rare. Hard to come by. What would you give me in return?
Eine gute Frage. Was bietet ihr? Bisschen Kohle.
How much?
Serum? Oh, no. For something this special, it's gonna cost you more than serum.
Mein Gott, ja gut.
What do you want for it?
Well, I see 2 possible trades. I'd love to get my hands on some of that focus drug. I know it's not meant for us, but it gives me a nice buzz. Otherwise, you're a Technomancer, aren't you?
Yeah.
Good. Well, I like to poke around the whole place. Just the other day, I found a Technomancer glove, but I can't seem to make it work. Like most all the Technomancer stuff I find. Well, I can repair most things, but this, I don't understand how it works, or even what it's supposed to do. But I'm sure you do. You'll repair it. In front of me. You fix, I watch. You teach, I learn. So in the future, I can do the fixing myself. Got it? You do this. I'll not only give you your thermic regulator, but let you walk away with the glove, too.
Vor seinen Augen reparieren. Ja gut, hilft eh nicht.
Alright, I'll show you. Watch close. There you go. Not exactly like new, but it works.
That's fantastic. You know how much Technomancer gear I have in inventory that I can fix now? Oh, you're a good man. Here, keep the glove and take your rover part. I don't need it anyway. Take care.
See you around.
Okay, das haben wir.